Hi students, let us now look into the introduction of chapter 3 Trigonometric Functions. The first one is angle. Angle is a measure of rotation of a given ray about its end point. The original ray is called the initial side and the final position of the ray is called the terminal side of an angle, and the point of rotation is called the vertex. Let us now look at it with the help of a diagram. Now here the reference line, that is this line, is called the initial side. So the original ray is called the initial side, and this is the angle of rotation, and we have another line here with respect to this angle, and that is called the terminal side. So the final position of the ray is called the terminal side of the angle. So this will be the initial side, and this will be the terminal side, and the point of rotation, this point O, it rotates with reference to this point, the angle rotates. So that is called the vertex. Now here in this diagram, it is the positive angle, that is the anti-clockwise direction. Now if we look at the second diagram, here the reference line is this one. So this is the initial side, and the negative angle, that is the clockwise. Now the angle is this way. So this will be the vertex point O, and this line is the terminal side. Next one is the measurement of angle. The measurement of angle, we can have it as two types. One is sexagesimal system, the other one is the circular system. First one, here there are three references, like in degrees, in minutes. One right angle will be 90 minutes, that is when we represent it in a diagram, this is 90 degree. We can represent this 90 degrees, that is one right angle will be 90 degrees, and 1 degree, each degree is 60 minutes, and 1 minute is 60 seconds. When it comes to the other system, that is the circular system, we have a circle here, and let us consider OP, this one as the initial side, and OQ as the terminal side. Here the degree can be calculated as radians, like pi radians equal to 180 degrees. So 1 radian will be 180 by pi degree, or 1 degree will be equal to pi by 180 radians. Next, coming to the quadrant system. In a quadrant system, let us have a 360 degree rotational, like we have 4 quadrants in total, because a circle contains 360 degrees and we are splitting it into 4 quadrants, and each quadrant will be 90 degrees. So starting from here, it is 0, 90, 180, 270, and ending in 360. So of these 4 quadrants, the first quadrant will be A, all, sine, tan, cos. Always the quadrant will be in the anti-clockwise direction, starting with this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. So here first quadrant is all, sine, tan, and cos. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth. So how do we remember this? After school to coaching. So from the diagram, it is AS, after school to coaching. That is how it comes. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Now let us look into the relation between theta, L, and R. In general, theta is equal to L by R, or the angle is equal to arc by length. We can represent it in a circle. Now the radius will be R, the angle between the initial and the terminal side will be theta. The arc length will be L. So the relationship will be theta is the angle, R is the radius, the L is the length of the arc. Theta is equal to L by R. Here theta is always given in radian. We will be looking into the rest of the introduction part in the next video. Thank you.